Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, your only stop for amazing daily life tech solutions. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can create YouTube shorts or Instagram shorts or maybe TikTok shorts on CapCut. Now, creating shorts is really easy. First, you need to simply import some videos onto your timeline, and now you can see it is in a horizontal manner. But if you may have noticed that shorts are in a vertical manner or much more like a phone display. So we are going to be converting these horizontal videos into vertical ones using this ratio option. So this is basically the main idea of this video, that how you can change the aspect ratio of the video. So you can see I have imported currently 3 videos and I need to create a short out of it. So I'm going to be clicking on this ratio and then I'm going to be selecting. You can see we have wide range of options to choose from in CapCut. Now let me tell you that the video that we usually edit is in 16:9 aspect ratio, so it's 16 on this side and 9 from up to down. So we're going to be inverting that, meaning we're going to be making it 9:16. So you can see currently here we have 16:9, and if we click on 16:9, nothing happens because this is already in 16:9. But we are going to be changing that in 9:16. So click on 9:16. So you can see now something weird really happened. Our video got smaller and the canvas which is behind our video is now in a style of YouTube short, but this doesn't look quite right. So what you can do is simply click on your video and head over to your video panel, and from there to basic, and just scale up your video until it matches your canvas. So you can see now it looks much better. And if you head over to another video from your timeline, you can see you have this video as well, which is small. So you can simply click on that and just increase the scale. Okay, so this looks really nice now, and you can do that for our final video as well, and increase the scale and maybe change the position as per your liking. To change the position, you can simply click on your canvas on your video and simply move it around, and you can see it looks much better. So that's how you can create YouTube shorts on CapCut, and I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with the friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.